Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's Friday, the 8th of December 2023, and the time is 5:30, and I'm having my meal of the day before it gets dark. It'll get dark about 1900 hours or so, so I've got another 2.5 hours or so before, no, 1.5 hours before it gets dark. So I'm having my one meal of the day, and it's rice salad or nasi kerabu or nasi ulam, whatever you want to call it. I had bought half a packet of mixed salad from Big yesterday. They were discounted, 50% discount. Usually it's 8 ringgit, so 50% I got it for 4 ringgit. And I used about a third of it in here, my rice salad. I bought a packet of rice from downstairs from the restaurant Sri Kayu. Cost me 2 ringgit. And the kakak gave me some sambal belacan together with it, as well as some bawang goreng. But I plant spring onions in my nursery in my flat. So I put 2 stalks of my own homegrown spring onion in addition to what she gave me. I also bought a couple of days ago a couple of twigs of karipele, which is curry leaves. So I used the balance today in my smoothie, which is this thing, which I'll talk about in a minute, as well as my nasi kerabu. I got a little bit of ginger, which I've cut into juliennes. I've got some bits of carrot, which I've cut into tiny pieces. I've got 1 yard bean, kacang panjang, also known as a long bean, which I've cut to tiny pieces in here. And I had some tomatoes, but when I looked for it in the fridge, they had actually gone overripe and inedible. And when I thought about it, I probably bought it before I went to Johor last weekend. So yeah, they were not edible anymore. So what else did I put in here? Yeah, 1 rose onion, which I've cut into tiny bits. 1 clove of garlic. Sometimes I put more garlic, but today I just decided to use 1 clove of garlic. A dash of JB sauce, which is vegetarian Worcester sauce. And I put a heaped teaspoon of my dried herbs, a heaped teaspoon of my super seaweed, and mix it all up. And I had a few spoonfuls to taste, and it's really nice. I'm going to finish the lot now. So now I'm going to talk about my smoothie. A few days ago, I bought 2 bananas, one of which was supersized because it was 2 bananas that had merged into one. So I used half of that in today's smoothie, as well as a slice of lemon, half limau kapas, some bits of carrot, and my plant-based milk powder, which has moringa and pagaga and amla in it as well, powdered. And what else did I put? Yeah, I just used water and ice cold water and blended it up, and I made, I don't know, 600 to 800 ml. So I've drunk half of this glass. This glass holds 400 ml, so there's about 200 ml in there, and probably another 200 to 400 ml in the jug. Yeah, I put some ginger in here as well, and some fresh turmeric. What else did I put in here? That slice of lemons I mentioned before, half a limau kapas, and yeah, my plant-based milk powder. That's it, and ice water. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my meal, and see you next time. Bye.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.